Now we're going to take a look at the TurboCAD user interface. First, I'm going to highlight a couple items in the user interface, then I will show you how it works. At the top of the TurboCAD user interface, you will see the menu bar. The menu bar contains drop-down menus which contain tools and operations that you'll use in TurboCAD. Below the menu bar is the standard toolbar. The standard toolbar contains some tools that would be in the File, Edit, or View menu, as well as a few others. The property toolbar contains drop-down menus that allow you to change the properties of the tool you have selected. In the center of the window, you will see the drawing area. The drawing area is where you will use your tools to draw in TurboCAD. To the left and top of the drawing area are the rulers. The rulers will display the units currently selected in that drawing. To the bottom and right of the drawing area are the vertical and horizontal scroll bars. These scroll bars will allow you to pan the drawing up and down, left and right. Now just to the left and right of the drawing area, you will find the Draw and Modify toolbars. These toolbars contain tools that help you create geometry, then edit it later. Now below the drawing area, you will find the Inspector bar. The Inspector bar contains icons for canceling an action and opening an object's properties, as well as numeric fields relevant to the current tool. Below the Inspector bar on the left side, you will find the Status bar. The status bar prompts you for your next action with the currently selected tool. To the right of the status bar are the coordinate fields. The coordinate fields allow you to enter XYZ data instead of clicking the mouse. Now let's take a look at the user interface in action. Notice when I move my cursor around that the coordinate fields in the lower right hand corner update to give the correct coordinates of where my cursor is. And if I draw a line, you'll notice that the length and angle fields in the inspector bar in the lower left hand corner of the window will update with the correct length and angle of the line I'm drawing. Also, when I zoom in and out, the rulers will update to reflect the correct measurements. Now the menus work just as you'd expect menus to work. Some of the menus also have submenus. Toolbars can be docked pretty much wherever you want. They'll snap into the user interface in the bottom or top or left or right of the drawing area. And some toolbars have flyouts. If I click and hold, more tools will fly out of this main toolbar. I can also pull this toolbar off and have a toolbar on its own. The palettes will dock very similarly to just like the toolbars, or you can have them float. You can also stack them on top of each other. Now the property toolbar that's just above the drawing area allows you to choose different properties of the tool you have selected. So in this case I have the line tool selected and I want to change the color of the line. I can go to the line color drop down menu and pick a different color. I'll go ahead and pick red. Now when I draw a line, the line's going to be red. And that's pretty much it.